Howdy folks, welcome to Blue Bite Doyle channel with another episode of Dickin around in the shed. My hands are already dirty, so how am I going to do this? Anyway, we all the way home. Y'all want to see me mail, do it, because I ain't got nothing. I'm sad. So anyway, welcome to Blue Bite Doyle channel with another episode of Dickin around on the shed. We'll be back on the POS 10. You know, I'm getting burnt out on that. Gonna have to start doing something else. I don't know. Well, we're getting closer each day, but I'm about to a stopping point because price of metal, price of gas, price of this, price of that, price is right. Anyway, run that intro. Folks, let's get to working and all I gotta do change my sweater and all like that, you know, put my apron on. Won't you be my neighbor? Yep, I don't forget how to put this on. So let's get started. Neighbor across the street, don't want to talk too loud. I've been working my tail off. I've been grinding. Remember to hydrate. I've been drilling. I've been welding. I've been hydrating. Well, we all the way home. We got this about done. I just gotta figure out where to put the hole at. It shouldn't be too hard. I know. A little hair around it. That's what she said. Anyway, I remodeled this and welded all this up, and I'm just doing a little bit here and there and a little bit here and there. So that's where we at today. So I call it quitting time. So you know what I say. Yeah, I call it quitting time. I gotta go cut the grass, do my homely jury. So you know, won't you be my neighbor? So we'll catch you on the next adventure. Our next pot, well, it's still working on the same project. So anyway, let's close it out. Close it out. Whew, I'm plumb tuckered out. Yeah. Can you guess who gave me this? Watch mail call. Check out that video there, part 2 or 3. I think this is 3 on the thingy. And that video there, and hit the subscribe button for me and give me a dirty thumbs up. We out of here. Gotta go cut grass. Later.